Hey yo, g'day mate, how are you? It's Chriso from Down Under. Forgotten what I was going to say. Yeah, but that's cool. I've mixed up more mud. I was talking about the slurry. It's a must, which in this case I'm using glue. So I'll turn the camera around and have a look see. Yeah, so as I was saying before, any questions that you want, that you're not sure of, just send me a, drop me a hey Chriso, I'm not sure what I'm doing, but can you help me out? Well, easy peasy. That's what I'm here for. That's what my goal is to do, is to teach as many people as I can. If I get a bit tongue-tied in the process, well, just too bad. Sorry about that. But I'm trying to multitask here. You know, they reckon blokes can't. Well, we can do our best. We can give it our best shot. Okay, where is my piece of tile? This will have to do, I suppose. What I'm aiming to do is be the same height, so I need to build that up a tad. Just like that. Just like that. To me, there's not a lot to tiling, but there is. I just sort of, because I've been doing it for so long, I find it pretty easy. But I've been doing it for a while, so to the home handyman, he's probably saying, "Whoa! How do you do that?" Okay, so make sure it's the same height. When your aluminium screen goes across there, it covers all that and it's beautiful. We're nice and level. Lovely. Lovely, tell your mum. So let's race down here. If I put some more glue out, I can bring my mud out. See, there's two ways you can have drummy tiles. Not enough glue, and it's not touching your mud. Not enough glue on your tile, and it's not touching your mud, or not a decent slurry, and then your bed is drummy. And there's nothing worse than hearing the sound of a drummy bed. Right. This is not bad mud actually. It's not the pre-mix I've got the washed sand, and it must have a few additives in it too, because it feels good. Feels nice. Right, we're going off there. We're making sure we're level. Bear with me. We'll just level up now. Hope you can see this all right. Is my camera right? Yeah, I hope so. See the bubble? Cool, eh? I'll do this, and then I'll throw my laser level. Oh boy, geez, I'm having trouble getting the words out today. I'll just do this, and then I'll pull out my laser level, shoot a line around, and then I can just check my heights to make sure that it's all nice. Just drag it off, Freddie. Drag it off. Yeah, getting a bit tongue-tied today. The words aren't flowing off my lips. I need those pieces of tile, so for here. I don't always use a laser level to shoot a line around, but this time I will. I'm doing things slightly different, so I'll use a laser level. But you know, every DIY bloke can buy a laser level too. So, you know, everything's so cheap these days. You know, 100 and, I don't know, laser level, you'd get one for 150 bucks. If you're DIYing your bathroom, you can afford to buy a laser level easy because you're saving money. A lot of the time I don't even use a wooden float much. You know, it doesn't have to look like that, all nice and pretty when you're banging down your tiles straight away. Let's get some tiles down. Just get the mud away from that edge a bit, from that hole, so it's not so close to the edge. I'll just cut some cuts and I'll start laying them.